Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to those who are new. Hey y'all, if you really like the videos I'm putting out in the content, I would really appreciate it if you gave me a big thumbs up down below and like my videos, or both. You could subscribe, push that little red button down below, please, and follow everything that's going on here in my world. I will be updating about my breast cancer journey. I will be doing various hauls, just musings on everyday life, kind of. I don't know, my friends call me a professional life liver because I do some pretty random and dumb stuff too. But it could be fun for you guys. So yeah, go ahead and like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate you for it. Now today, I'm just wearing my little ripped, comfortable Raiders retro throwback with the cute little zippers going on. I love it. It makes me happy. It's comfortable, it's baggy, it's perfect for summer, especially when you have a mastectomy bra with straps that are thick, like what your grandma would wear. So I love it. Now, on to today. Speaking of mastectomy bras, I got some good news today and some bad news, kind of. The good news is I got to find out from my nurse that I get to move up a step in my prosthesis, meaning I get a stick-on, so I can rotate between the mastectomy bra and the stick-on prosthesis, which they have a little bottle. It's like a roller ball if you do with deodorant, and what they do is they kind of roll it on the implant, or the prosthesis, put it on your skin, and then you just kind of stick her on, which I'm so excited about because it's been 7 months of so much fashion no-nos, like nothing backless, nothing strapless. You get the drill. And now with the stick-on prosthesis, I am so excited for summer. And not only that, I am so excited because that also means I'm, excuse me, another step closer to my reconstruction date. I hope, fingers crossed, I'm on the waiting list. But this is another step up, meaning I'm getting more ready for the reconstruction. So I'm really happy about this. Now, the negative side of things is when I went to the appointment today, it was at the breast care unit where I had my mastectomy, and they've done all my care post-operatively, etc. Done my scans. I need to go back next week and see my doctor because when I came in, she obviously noticed I'd been losing a bit more weight, and these dark circles under my eyes aren't helping. I ordered Dermacol to help with those, and the color was completely off. So I don't know how to color match that, but it looked terrible, like orange. It was bad. So anyway, with the dark circles and the weight loss, they want me to see the doctor and maybe have some scans done to just to make sure there's no little funky cells kind of hiding anywhere, you know, causing shade somewhere. It's probably no big deal and I'm probably fine, but they just want to make sure. So yeah, I'm cool with that. I am. So other than that, today's been a beautiful day. I'm going to take my little boy out for a walk in a bit. But he's hanging upside down sleeping right now. Check it. Where is he? I think you can see him. Sorry, I'm trying. You can kind of find him over there somewhere. Anyway, you kind of get the idea. Anyway, he's there somewhere. Sorry, guys. I couldn't catch him. So, sorry, guys. Kind of wasted your time there. So anyway, yeah. I'm looking forward to going out to the beach later with him, getting a little walk, maybe having a nice ice cream, just spending a little bit of quiet time and just enjoying the sunset. It's the right weather for it, and in Great Britain, they don't get many sunny days. So you take what you can and you run with that bish. You run. You take it and enjoy it and soak it up because it might be the only day of sun for like 4 weeks. So I'm gonna do that before dinner. Anyway, other than that, just a nice quiet weekend at home. And oh yes, speaking of mastectomy bras, I was doing a clean out of my closet, well, wardrobe in this country, and I'm wondering if anybody knows of any charities that accept very good condition bras. I don't mean fetish, like to catch a predator type people, but actual charities, because I found 27 bras that I could donate to charity, and I would love to help someone out since I can't wear them anymore, really. So if anybody knows any place, I would be greatly appreciative of any information. Also, if anybody knows how to match the Dermacol better next time so I'm not wasting any money, I'd be very happy with that information as well. And what was I gonna... Oh yes, I was gonna say, I'm also looking for some like really cute places for petite clothes, especially now that I may be able to start wearing a few backless or strapless bits now. I think it's time to treat myself for a few nice pieces post-cancer surgery, and I'll be ready to do that soon. So any advice you guys can give me, I would be greatly appreciative of it. So anyway, I hope you all have a good day. And again, if you like my content, please click my like thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you for stopping by. Thanks for coming, guys. Bye, y'all.